What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here for a double dose fix. This right here is my Cheerson CX30. Rather unique props here. These props came with a set of 80/20 motors that I ordered, and this is the first time I'm going to use them on this guy here. This is the only toy grade that I have that has a wide enough wingspan for it, so the props don't touch. It actually fits. Let's let this loud truck go by. What's up, bro? This was definitely one of my favorites when it came out, and still is. Flies really nice, but we're gonna see how it flies with these oversized props here. They look pretty awesome. Check them out. So yeah, let's get this guy up in the air. What's up, man?
What you flying today?
Trying to fly this joint, but
I found some little black Johns. I forgot the name of it. I bought them while I got FD something. I got the remotes and everything. That John won't come on.
What one turn on? The drone won't turn on?
Oh.
That's the same problem I'm having with, but it's this battery though. I have
Yeah.
Bad battery.
What that happened? You probably got to go to YouTube.
The battery probably did.
No, the battery come on. All of it light up. It just don't configure with.
Oh, you mean it just won't start up?
Yeah, it won't. It don't work with the remote. Maybe the remotes got tangled up. I brought them from Joe Mars.
Yeah. I remember.
And maybe the remotes don't. Yeah, maybe the remotes ain't syncing. Maybe they mixed everything up and put remotes in the different boxes. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Show me them drones. I probably could figure it out.
Yeah. All right.
I probably got a controller for it or something.
All right. All right.
The battery is rather small for it. So it does fly with these props. Handling it for now, maybe not for long. Let's see if we can get a flip. That's our answer. Nope, not with this small battery. Double dose fix, so that's why I'm talking to let you guys know about this one here. This is the Huying Toys HY853. One of my favorites from back in the day, still one of my favorites. This weekend it's been really bad. We've been having some bad weather, really rainy, windy. And on top of that, the temperature dropped on me. It's still kind of nippy out here now, but we're gonna still try to keep the show rolling. Flying it with the jumper. It is deviated. CX10 green protocol. There you go. Not much pitch on it. But it still goes. Definitely one of my favorite drones. Check out the flips. That's some really nice flips. Does nice manual flips too. But they can be tricky. Try one. Nice and snappy, right? Man, going with the wind. This is against the wind here. Does awesome manual flips. Check them out. The wind's trying to blow them away. Oh, he wants to come down for a landing. Kind of cold out here. That does the number on the batteries. Check them out.